Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stovetop oatmeal. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1/2 cup of rolled oats and 1 cup of your preferred liquid, whether that's water, milk, or a non-dairy option. Don't forget a small pinch of salt. It truly brings out the best flavor in your oatmeal. Having these ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Pour your 1/2 cup of oats, 1 cup of liquid, and that pinch of salt into a small saucepan. Place it on the stove top and bring the mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once it starts bubbling, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer, stirring occasionally to prevent it from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Continue to cook your oatmeal for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice the liquid gradually absorbing and the oats becoming tender. It's important to stir more frequently during these final minutes to ensure an even cook and prevent any sticking. Once your oatmeal reaches your desired thickness, whether you like it creamy or a bit firmer, it's ready to be removed from the heat. Your delicious stovetop oatmeal is now ready. Carefully transfer it into a bowl. This is where the fun begins. Customize it with your favorite toppings. Think fresh berries, sliced bananas, a sprinkle of nuts, or a drizzle of maple syrup or honey. The possibilities are endless for a truly satisfying meal. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your warm, comforting bowl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.